Good morning, guys. So here today at Jones Multinet, we're going to be cleaning this floor. You see these black spots there all over? Customer was not aware. They have a cat. They was not aware. There was no smell in this situation. Take a look. Let me take a look. You see that? You see this? Take a look at all the blues and all of this here. This is all cat urine, okay? So we can actually remove the smell and remove the stain. You gotta know what you're doing here. All right, it can be done also on upholstery and on rugs, but the rugs we take them to the rug shop. So you see, it's all over the place. There's no extra charge when we come to see you in order to remove this, just so that you guys are aware. Look at that. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be using our buffing machine with a special buffing pad. What you want to do with this is basically just rub it in. You want to rub in the product that's already been installed into the carpet, and you want to let it do its thing. It's going to take a couple hours, and it's going to kill all the bacteria of the urine. The smell is going to go away. Also is the stain due to the special mixing that we make up. So if you guys need any professional help with pet urine damage, thinking that you may have to get rid of the carpet, think again. Give us a call. I'll come over. Free estimate, 514-704-3947. Jones Multinet. Have yourselves an amazing day.